I'm sure you've heard the news. Automated trading is shaking up the stock market. It's not just for National Stock Exchange, India Nifty pros anymore. Let's break down why you should care. Manual trading can be stressful. Constantly watching charts, second-guessing every move, and letting emotions take over. But what if you could take the emotion out and let your strategy work for you 24/7? That's where HFTtrade algo trading software comes in. You set your rules, when to buy, when to sell, and the system does the rest. No more fear of missing out, no more panic moves. Automation helps you stick to your plan, make quicker decisions, and never miss an opportunity, even while you're asleep. Plus, it frees up your time for what actually matters. Ready to trade smarter, not harder? Start exploring HFTtrade algo trading software today and see how it can take your trading game to the next level.